Hello folks, Scott here, once again at Chopper Airport. Today in the bench, I've got another single plane intake manifold for your standard port 23 degree small block Chevy. This one is a high velocity heads, Brodix part number HV1003. This will be run with a set of Brodix 11X CNC heads on a 420 cubic inch small block Chevy and a 34 Ford Radical Street combination. It'll also be run with this 2-inch tall 4-hole billet aluminum spacer. This one is from Hamburger's Performance, part number 2543. This manifold was designed by Gene Dittmer for circle track applications with a few interesting features, including this 1/4 inch 4-hole tapered drop-in spacer, a circular carb flange, and an integrated turtle on the floor. This spacer here is available separately as part number DT450 and comes as cast out of the box. The spacer here was designed to complement the circular carb flange. I've got this one fully hand ported and matched for use with the Hamburger's Performance spacer that I showed you previously. As we move back over to the intake manifold, we'll take a closer look inside the plenum. The integrated turtle there is to help with air fuel distribution among the cylinders and also help to prevent fuel puddling on the floor. I've got this plenum fully ported with a burr finish all the way out to the ports. I'm just going to take a moment here and flip it over so we can take a look at the port side. And here we are on the flip side, where we can take a closer look at the matchwork and the burr finish. As you can see here, the port work goes all the way into the plenum, with the burr finish coming all the way out to the port face. As I mentioned before, this manifold will be bolted to a set of Brodix 11X CNC heads, and we'll be utilizing a Felpro 1206 gasket. If you like what you see, press subscribe. If you got a manifold that you'd like to have ported, feel free to reach out. In the meantime, happy motoring, folks. Stay safe.